In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install the Realtek audio drivers in Windows 11. So the first thing you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. But before I go any further, I have also put another link in the description below to our website where we have a list of all the steps on how you can install the Realtek audio drivers in Windows 11, just in case you haven't got any audio. Also, if you do like this video and want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, because every subscribe really does help us out. So once you're on this page, you now need to scroll down, and currently it will say that the Realtek audio driver is only for Windows 10. However, these drivers do still work in Windows 11, and I haven't come across any issues as of yet. But it might be worth you just backing up any important files before installing the driver, just in case anything was to go wrong. You now need to select the 64-bit version of the Realtek driver, as you cannot run a 32-bit version of Windows 11, you will only be running a 64-bit version. You will now be taken to a page that looks like this. You now need to type in your email address in this box and then download the file. Once the file has finished downloading, you now need to run the setup file. You now need to go next. It will now begin to install the Realtek audio driver. Once the Realtek audio driver has finished installing, you now need to restart your computer, so just make sure you have saved everything before doing this. I'm going to go ahead and press finish now to restart. Once you have restarted your computer, if you now look down in the bottom right hand corner of Windows 11 in your system tray, it should now say Realtek High Definition Audio. And also, if I right click on the speaker and open up the sound settings, you will see that it now says Realtek High Definition Audio, which means that the Realtek audio driver installed successfully. And as you can see, everything on my computer is working as it should. So like I said at the start of the video, I have not currently come across any issues using the Realtek audio driver in Windows 11. So you shouldn't have any issues either. I hope this video has helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did, then click the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.